Hey guys, so today I literally have shorts on right now because I can't find any other pants. But we're gonna be trying to start the Red Devil again. I don't see any fish though. It's fine. Oh, it's raining. Yeah, we're really trying to start the Devil again. It's like raining right now. I'm gonna get like maybe, and I guess I'm sure you're fine. It's raining a little bit. I'm sure you're fine, perfectly fine, I guess. What if I just like put you under here? That you won't get wet. Perfect. Slide in there, perfect. Dude, the Devil is soaked. Do you see this thing? It is so wet right here. I'm gonna try to start it now. Try it now. Probably gonna take a little bit to start because I don't even know. Come on. It ain't starting, guys. We'll try it still. Ooh. Come on. It doesn't want to start. I ain't giving up though. We're gonna get the Devil to start. It don't work. Ugh. You're so close. She wants it. She wants it very bad. Woo! Yo, I heard it. A little bit. It was like, I didn't. Yo, it started. Okay, I let it go. Oh, let's see now. See how good it does in the rain. Oh my gosh. This is crazy right here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Dude, it was right there. So close. Guys, we are so close to starting it. It was trying. It's trying, guys. It wants to very bad. Oh my. Yo. It started. Let's see if we can get it to run. Yeah, guys. Try it again. That was really loud. That was really loud, guys. Yeah, there's something wrong with the engine now. So I'll wait until it dries. I'm not risking it. I don't want this thing exploding or something. So we're gonna go and leave this thing alone. But let's see if I can get the rainbow chopper to start. It doesn't have the pull cord anymore. That's the thing. Let me see if we can get the snowblower to start. That'd be so cool. We try it. Actually, never mind. This thing isn't starting though. It's not gonna start probably because it doesn't like that to start it. There's no pull cord, so it's impossible to start without the pull cord. Unless you just remove the lid, get like a screwdriver, try to start it, but it's gonna be very hard. So yeah, gotta wait for the engine to dry, then we can start it. Bye.